Hello everyone, this is Renal Shah, your instructor for Math 96. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, now in this recording I am trying to provide the guide for how to access the video for chapters, for test chapter prep and video worksheets and all other resources. So let's begin by signing into your D2L page. Go to your course. Now everyone is using MyMathLab via D2L, and so I know everyone is familiar with D2L and MyMathLab. So let's begin just visiting MyMathLab here. And everyone is doing their homework, going the homework tab, and you see in this week you are working on section 4.1 and 4.2. Now from onwards you are taking your exams also on MyMathLab, so you can find all your exams and quizzes here. So make sure your exam is exam 3 for chapter 3 and 9.4 due tonight with 3 trials. Okay, so make sure you finish as soon as possible. Do not wait for very last minute. Also, you have quiz on section 4.1 and 4.2. So now before you begin your homework and quiz, you want to learn those sections, so you can find really good videos here. So go to the multimedia library, and in multimedia library you have this several media options. So select chapter 4, select the section you want to learn. So section 4.1, there are animation, online textbook, section video. So just to learn first, you select the section video lectures, and you see you have the video lecture objective wise. So you can click them one by one, and you can select the video objective wise here as well. Now if you want to work along with videos, so we have the video worksheet here. So to access video worksheet, if you want to work along with, you want to work the problem along with the video by playing and pausing your video. So I have provided the video worksheet in your D2L. So go to your D2L page, back, go to content, and here you see the video worksheets. So video worksheets having exact same examples you see in the videos, so you can work along with videos. And some of the example you are trying on your own here. So if you wanna, so solution for the video worksheet also provided here. So answer key for video worksheet here. Now this answer key is answer key for all chapters. So you have to scroll down the chapter or the section you are working on. So section 4.1 and 4.2, I guess they are somewhere on page, or entire chapter 4, that is somewhere on on page 18 to 20. Okay, so here you see some of the examples you are working on your own, so you can compare your answers. Now additional, the class notes we worked in class, so I am trying to provide those class notes also for those particular sections. So here you see section 4.1 and 4.2 class notes, and its solution you can find here. So after watching videos, after finishing all your video worksheet, if you want the additional practice, you can work on class notes examples, and then you can, I think you should be ready for your homework problems, quiz problems. Now another thing, in multimedia library there is a chapter test prep videos also there, so if you want to use them, okay. So here you see the videos on, just on those examples, test prep examples. So I hope this would be helpful. So make sure you have to teach yourself using videos, worksheets and class notes. So make sure you master your material with those, then start your homework and quizzes. Okay, and make sure you keep track of the deadlines for the homework and quizzes. I will try my best to remind you. So and feel free to email me with any question and concern. That's it for today. Okay, have a good one. Bye bye.